Content creation isn't just about posting pretty pictures or writing blog articles or other text. It's about making a real impact on your audience. And I know that as a holistic health coach, you have a mission to help people and to make a difference. But I also understand the challenges you face when it comes to creating the content. Frustration, overwhelm, and even confusion are common when it comes to content creation. You might be thinking, I'm not tech savvy, I don't know where to start, or I just don't have the time. Well, you're not alone. Many coaches share the same concerns. But here's the thing, you don't have to figure it all out on your own. You don't have to struggle with content creation. There is a way to simplify the process and make it work for you. Imagine creating content that truly resonates with your audience. Content that helps you connect with your clients on a deeper level. Content that positions you as an authority in your field. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce you to my upcoming Content Creation Mastery Workshop. It's designed specifically for holistic coaches like you who want to leverage the power of content to expand the reach and impact. In this workshop, I'll cover everything from content strategy and generating ideas to crafting compelling content and using visuals effectively. And yes, I'll keep the tech stuff simple and manageable. So if you ever felt frustrated or overwhelmed by content creation, if you want to connect with more clients and make a bigger impact, this workshop is for you. Find out more about the Content Creation Mastery Workshop by clicking the button below. Let's make content creation work for you and your holistic coaching practice.